There's new science about how to keep your brain healthy, and it's all about neurotrophins. Neurotrophins are proteins that play an important role in the growth, survival, and maintenance of nerve cells, also called neurons, in the brain and nervous system. They are responsible for very vital processes like cell birth, cell death, and overall health of these brain cells. Neurotrophins are essential for proper brain development, learning, memory, and overall cell function. Researchers consider brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which is mainly found in the brain and spinal cord, as the most active neurotrophin. It plays a very important role in memory and learning. Research shows that those with higher BDNF levels tend to have better brain health and better brain function. Those with decreased BDNF levels have been found to have a risk for conditions such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, Huntington's disease, and it may even be linked to type 2 diabetes. It was previously believed that the brain could not generate new cells, that whatever amount of neurons we're born with, that's what we had throughout our life. However, recent scientific research has revealed that the brain has a remarkable capacity to produce new neurons even as we age. There are several effective ways to increase BDNF levels. Exercising is a powerful way to increase these levels. High-intensity workouts have been shown to not only raise BDNF levels, but to enhance memory. What's really great about this research is that one high-intensity workout can actually impact BDNF levels for several weeks. Sunshine is another way to increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor. We tend to naturally have lower levels in the fall and winter and higher levels in the spring and summer based on our exposure to sunshine. Another reason to take a vacation in the winter. Sleep is another way our BDNF levels are affected. Insomnia is linked to significantly lower levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Fasting is a great way to boost BDNF levels as well. BDNF is upregulated by approximately 3.5-fold after fasting. This can include both long-term fasting and intermittent fasting. A healthy gut microbiome will produce short-chain fatty acids, and this is thought to increase BDNF in the brain as well. Healthy gut, healthy brain. Other contributing factors to support and improve BDNF levels are omega-3 fatty acids, curcumin, also called turmeric, vitamin A, zinc, magnesium, and niacin. So, by increasing our amount of BDNF, we increase the health of our brain.